Now that we have our middle layer of marshmallows, it's time to complete our casserole. So once again, we're going to put sweet potatoes and just put the rest of the sweet potatoes on there. You can never have too many of them as long as it's not overflowing your pan. Now if you have some of the sweet potato juices left over, you can just pour it on top. You're probably going to want that extra bit of sweetness in there. And next we're going to add another layer of applesauce. I'm just going to pour some out of the jar. You don't want too thick of a layer because as you can see we're getting towards the top of our casserole dish. And you already have one level of applesauce in there. And then finally the pineapple. You can just kind of spread it around with your spatula. You want to make sure that the initial level of marshmallows at least is covered up. And now for the final part of our casserole. It's the top marshmallow layer. Now this is most important because you want to make sure everything else is covered. This way you get a nice evenly brown layer of marshmallows on top of the casserole. And everyone knows that it's your marshmallow sweet potatoes.